I'm back again for another video, guys. Another video is coming your way. A little quick video, hopefully. Twerk it. Ace, twerk it. Alright, weather stripping. We're going to be doing some weather stripping fixing today. We're going to fix this old weather stripping. Just rip my old weather stripping off. Nice, 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 nice. Keep it coming. Yeah. Well, that wasn't so bad. Did it with one hand all the way around. Got a brand new piece right here. I probably paid way too much from Subaru Direct, but who cares? It's gonna fix my leaky trunk. I'm not gonna have mold in there anymore, and we're gonna be sealed and ready for the winter. So I surprisingly got the old weather stripping off without an issue. It's pretty dirty, pretty moldy, pretty crusty. It's just really, really old and needed to be replaced. All I have to figure out is if Subaru used any type of adhesive to get this stuck on. I'm definitely gonna clean the surface up a bit, get rid of all this dirt and debris that's been stuck in between. And hopefully my trunk will be able to seal again and it will be watertight. So let's go ahead and get this area cleaned up and see what it takes to get the new one on. A little bit of water, soften up the mud. Cleaning up pretty well, just with some water. Kinda going with the flow here. Here's a little cleanup here, and that's what I need to clean next. All the way down along the whole edge. I found some random goof off on my shelf over there, and it seems to be working very well. I wouldn't recommend getting this on your paint though, because I think it just eats right through paint. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty good. Got a little bit of adhesive right there. I got a little bit of that goof off on the rag. Watch it disappear before your eyes. A little bit of elbow grease. And boom, it's already gone. See? That easy. A little bit up here. Just working my way around, making sure the surface is gonna be clean and ready for the new weather stripping. Wow, this is taking way longer than I thought. I hope it's worth it in the end. I'm working hard for this one. Tried to get away. Okay, so I got the area pretty much cleaned up to my liking. I'm just going around. I got some rubbing alcohol on this rag here. Hopefully our surface will be nice and clean and ready for the new thingy. Well, I don't even know if you need to use any. Oh man, it's upside down. Upside down. Dip, 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 dip. This is upside down. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use any adhesive. Well, now I feel really ridiculous when I spent, I don't know, a half hour cleaning the surface, thinking that I was going to be using adhesive. Turns out I didn't use any. I didn't really need to do that. That's why I made a video, that way you guys don't make the same mistake I did. This is a pretty snug fit in between the pinch weld and the weather stripping here. So let's get this into place and just see how secure it is, see if it's going to be watertight or not. Just make sure the orientation is correct on the weather stripping. I made sure to take a note before I ripped it off. This is the way you're gonna wanna put it on if you're doing it with me right in here, right now. You can see how this side shoots out that way, and this side shoots in the other way. That way we get a nice seal on the trunk. Okay, let's press this thing into place and maybe we'll be done sooner than I thought. This really couldn't be any easier. I expect it to be a lot more difficult. I don't know why. I just figure everything's more difficult with the Subaru. But this weather stripping is no big deal. I'm just working my way around. This is a very nice fit. I'm glad that I got what I paid for on this one. I think this weather stripping was like 50 bucks or something. Of course, you can probably go to Home Depot or some type of home improvement store, pick up your own weather stripping for doors or whatnot inside your house. But I went the expensive route, and I am okay with that. So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm just working it on. Well, I guess I can take out my my little drip pan that I had in here. When it does rain, I have this little drip pan. Oh look, it's actually wet from when it did rain. It's soaking up all the good stuff. So yeah. Anyways, yep, I gotta clean out this trunk. Water has been seeping in for a little bit now, and I hope it's not moldy. Gotta go. Bye. Time to test out the new weather stripping. Always puddles up here. Ends up leaking down here. Nothing yet. It is dry around the perimeter. Nothing dripping in, baby. First water test was a success. But only time will tell. I will be sure to let you guys know if this was a success or not. But yeah, if your trunk is leaking, I highly recommend getting an OEM Subaru weatherproofing strip. I am still kind of blown away by how easy that was. You can actually hear how well it seals. Oh, that kind of sounds a little rough, gotta say. Which means the new weather stripping is pretty stiff still. So it really has a nice, firm seal. No more leaking trunk, and we got ourselves some old weather stripping. I'm not quite sure what to do with, but yeah, I'll probably just throw it away like a normal human. Weather stripping is complete. Thanks guys for watching this quick video. Hope it can help you guys out when you encounter your own leaky trunk. But until next time, we will see you then. Bye. Nice. That is very satisfying. I like that a lot. Alright guys, take it easy. See you later. Bye.